Hey guys, welcome to a hardcore Minecraft world for the first time. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get started. So, this is a lot of trees. Um, let's just go down here, start getting some wood, and we will go from there. So, um, there's 3 pieces. Bop, bam, boom, go ahead, get that. Make a crafting table, make my way out. Do that there. Go ahead and get some sticks. And make me a pickaxe. Yes, let's go ahead and get us a pickaxe. Start with stone. Ooh, that's a decent cave. Let's go see what that cave has to offer. Water. Tree. Hey, I tried to jump there. Wait, what? You know what? I don't know. I don't really like water caves. So, what I'm going to do is get myself out of this because I decided to jump in. I'm a smart person. Okay, up here, up here, up here. I said up here. Aha. Okay, let's start with the stone for a pickaxe. Then the stone for an axe. And then the stone for a furnace. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay. What the? Oops. Um, you there. Pop, bam, go. Nope. There. Need to make some more sticks. That there. Axe. And then a furnace. Hooray! Let's just get a few more cobblestone just in case. Then let's run over here. Now since I have an actual axe. And fully chop down tree. Actually, let's go looking for a village. Then we can get the stuff for it. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Shep. Shep. Hooray. Yee. There doesn't seem to be anything. So, I'm going to mine this tree and get me a boat and just start going that way. You're okay, that's there, but when I mean that way, I mean that way. Okay, is that there? I got a boat now. I got a jar of dirt. Okay, boat, and off we go. Okay. Well, I know I said I was gonna go look for a village, but I see what looks to be an ancient like city. So I'm gonna come down here. Ow. Get that iron and coal right there. Ow. Ow. And then go check out that ancient city and hopefully not die. 'Cause yeah, that would be fun. Okay, now time to work on this iron. And I see much more iron. Eat it, come on. Iron, iron. There's a decent amount of iron. Oh, it's becoming nighttime. That's fun. Okay, you see more iron down here? No, but there was iron over there. Let's go look at the ancient city. Oh, this is such... Oh, those are... Whoa. Okay, so... Should I do it? Ooh, there's one right here. Okay, I almost really badly want to get it set that off to get a warden, but I'm not gonna yet. I'm gonna eventually. I can promise y'all that. So what I'm gonna do is get an iron, and then probably make myself smelt it and get myself some tools. Then maybe go set that off. Because I'm a not smart person. Okay, let's go ahead and get the furnace. Go ahead and get that smelting. Check to see if there's any close iron. Does not look like it. Oh wait, right there. Yeah. There's so much. Surprised that that guy ain't setting off the the screechers? I don't know. Y'all know what that is? What that's called? Telling me would be very kind, cause I don't. Yeah. Go ahead and make myself that. Put this in the furnace. And chest piece. Yay! First bit of armor in the thing. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's wait. I don't have enough. That's fun. Yeah, I'm going to wait for that to smelt before I decide to be stupid and go and try and set one of those off. Is that more iron? No, that's not diamonds. Yeah, that's diamonds. Trust. Gold. Wait. What is? What the? What? What? Where did you come from? That is just a. Huh. Okay then. Try not to get too close to that. Grab that. Make myself a helmet. Oh, let's be smart here and get a shield as well. And wait for this to finish. What can I... Okay, so with that I can make pants, so I need 4 more to get a full set. Look, right there. Think this is enough? I don't think this is enough. It'll be enough to get to this huge... That. I think. I hope. I don't actually know. Is... Oh, wait. Andesite. I have enough cobblestone at least. Wait, did I pass it? No, it's just farther up. Oh, there it is. Aha! Is that all of them? It looks like it. So, water! Minecraft physics is funny. Okay, let's go here. Grab that. And make myself leggings. Unless, okay, yeah. Hey, you. That one tapped him. I was not expecting that. I have no food. I do have food. Yay! That almost was not good. So let's go ahead and make myself another furnace. Split this. Oh, split this. Put that there. That. Boom. Bop. For food. Okay. Hit. Yay, full iron already. Should I make myself a sword? I don't even have enough for a sword, so no. Okay. Should I okay. That wasn't scary at all. I was not expecting that. So, I don't believe one spawned, but that was, yeah. Okay, how is it still night? I don't know. I'm gonna go down here and hope to find diamonds, cause no, I didn't like that. Oh yay, diamonds! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay, nice. Right off the bat, 4 diamondes. I found the ancient city. Why does there not seem to be that much skulk here? Oh, look, more diamonds. A lot more. Jeez. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6 and a 4 vein. Right off the bat. Oh my god. I wanna do it. Ow. Is this a cushion? No, it's a slab. Smart. Oh. Hey. This is a bad idea. Like, a really bad idea. Hey. These have so much XP though. Why do I feel like that I hear? Why is there a chain of you? I did it. So, this is big. And I'm not prepared for this. At all. So what I'm gonna do is run back out this way. Stand up. Ooh, look, more diamonds. Yay! And it is 1, 2. Yeah, okay. They're already up to 12 diamonds. Okay, yeah, let's go and search this cave for more diamonds, and then I'm gonna run back up and go back to searching for a village. Yes. Searching for the village. Yeah. How did I miss? How did I... Ow! Lapis. There doesn't seem to be anything else left in here. Ow. Let's try and come down here without falling. Over here, I believe would be the best spot. Ooh. Except for that, except for that, except for that, except for that. Ooh, look, more diamonds. So, caving must have a heart. This isn't a good idea. But I quite don't have a choice. I have nothing left. Rotten flesh would no. Um. Yeah, so 17 diamonds, not horrible. There's probably more here. But I'm not going to continue searching here. For two reasons. One, that. And two, I don't want to die. Dying would be very bad. So, I'm gonna make my way back up. And then try and find food. Well, it was a nice run. I do have bad. And since I died, I'm gonna be ending the video here. I will hopefully start a new one later. But thanks for watching. Sad I died. But I will catch y'all in the next run. Alright, bye.